Welcome to KP Law News, Arkansas. Got a story out of my hometown here, Cabot, Arkansas. There's a police chase that happened back in, July 25th. Sent a open records request in that same day and got it back this morning. All the information, body cams, dash cams, which I'm only going to play one dash cam because it's the main one that was involved in the chase. But a little warning here about the video. The video quality is not that good. It's blurry. So I was looking at it this morning after they sent it to me. I said, it's just kind of blurry. I wonder, it's not my end. That's how it was sent to me. Even after I downloaded it and even ran it through some editing software, it's still blurry. Can't even read the text in the top right hand corner. So I called down to the Cabot Police Department, to their records officer, and he informed me that that is how they send them out. He's by himself. You don't have the resources, the manpower to go through every video that's requested and redact certain things. So because they can't do all that, don't have time to do all that, to get all these requests out, they just send the video out a little blurry. I mean, it's not too bad, but you can still see what's going on, but I'd rather have a clearer shot. But it is what it is. I appreciate him for explaining to me, making that clear of why the footage is blurry. So we're going to play this clip. This is the who is this officer, Sergeant Starks, with the Cabot Police Department. This is from his dash cam video, July 25th, 2023. Here we go. See the quality there, it's blurry. It's not too bad, but you just can't read the text up in the top right hand corner there for the date, time, all that good stuff. So here we go. This is up the street from where I live. So goes into the tobacco store here and
forward the Cabot traffic.
He's trying to pull over
with that vehicle right here at the tobacco store on Pine.
Pine or West Main?
West Main. And they're taking off. I'm going eastbound towards the road tracks, cabin on Emerson. Right turn on 367.
Which way on 367?
Southbound 367, passing the PD. Speed's at 50 miles an hour.
Okay, what state knows? See if they got somebody close.
Continue through the light on West Elm. So we're still southbound on the second. Traffic is medium.
Okay, we're on turn on the 4th. 47
Gosh! It's going to be occupied by two white males. Driver is white male with a ball cap on, passing Allen now. Speed's at 70.
43 right here.
Okay, yeah, they're passing now. He's passing on the left. Move! Continuing south, passing the tobacco shop on South 2nd.
35, you can try to get to 67. That's probably where they're going. Cabot County and St. Oceanic. Go 10-8. Go get 10-8.
Alright, we're passing Stonehenge now. Speed's at 100.
100 miles an hour, 2-lane road.
Continuing southbound, coming up to Cut Hill.
This traffic is too heavy. We're gonna call it.
Temple. Ooh. Or just past Cut Hill now. He's reckless. Passing Steeplechase, coming up to South Fork. Traffic is died down now to the light. Speeds at 80, continuing southbound, coming up to 367.
Go ahead, 1022. He's driving in head on into traffic. Go ahead, 1022.
Or I've 1022. He's northbound on 67 out in Cabot. I'm not in pursuit, but he's passing on the shoulder and all.
All right, Dave, from the back off or chase, probably a good idea.
That vehicle is northbound on 67, coming up to the 19. We're not in pursuit anymore with it.
That's not you come to the 21 here shortly. What's the vehicle?
It's going to be a silver or bronze Chevy Equinox. Right tail light is broken.
All right, that's it for the chase. We called it off, and we laid all the well. I mean, we did a report on the 25th of July, 2023, at approximately 15:18 hours. Cabot PD received a flock hit for a stolen vehicle, and the flock hit, I think it's those license tag readers they have in a couple spots here in the city. So I believe that's what that is. Let's see, it was confirmed stolen out of Sherwood PD. At around 15:27 hours, Cabot PD received another flock hit for the same stolen vehicle in the area of West Main Street and Rideout Lumber. Officer Starks responded and arrived in the area of West Main Street and noticed a vehicle matching the description parked at the entrance exit private driveway 521 West Main Street at the Offered Tobacco Store. The vehicle was occupied by two white males. Officer Starks pulled directly behind the gold Chevy Equinox and activated his lights in an attempt to conduct a traffic stop. The driver of the vehicle then placed the vehicle in drive and began fleeing eastbound on West Main Street towards Highway 367. A pursuit was then ensued. Suspect vehicle made a right turn onto Highway 367 South 2nd Street while approaching the intersection of West Elm Street. The vehicle disregarded the red light and continued southbound on Highway 367. Speeds accelerated to 100 plus miles an hour. The suspect began driving into oncoming traffic and running vehicles off the roadway. Once the pursuit reached the intersection of Highway 321, Highway 5, Officer Starks was instructed to discontinue to pursue due to the suspect driving behavior and traffic conditions. Now that's good. Why can't Arkansas State Police do that? They will follow somebody until they take them out. In fact, they killed one last week over by West Memphis doing a pit maneuver on them. Let's see. That's just my little commentary thrown in there. While not in pursuit, Officer Starks followed the vehicle onto Highway 67 northbound and relayed the information to other agencies. Lonoke County, Austin PD, and Arkansas State Police. Several minutes later, Arkansas State Police located the vehicle on State Highway 67 near exit 25 past the White County line. The driver and passenger both fled on foot. No other information at this time. So I don't know if they got away or they got caught, but Cabot Police didn't catch them because they gave up their pursuit. So there you have it. That's it. And while I was getting this video together, they were having another chase in town here this morning. So I'll be asking for that open records request on that as soon as I can. So crazy stuff, man. I don't know what it is about the car chase around here lately. They're going crazy or something. Who knows what's going on? I don't know. So that's it for this video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, thumbs up, and appreciate everybody watching. So everybody have a good day. KP Law News, Arkansas.